about drones, not just as toys or flying cameras or military weapons as they're often thought of as today, but thinking about them more like cars and computers, right? If you were to ask most people, like, what's the platform that currently makes the world the most accessible, it's probably going to be one of those two, right? Some people may say planes or just aviation in general, which I'll get to my perspective on that. But really, for most people, the thing that bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to be, or minimizing geographical limitations, are thanks to cars being able to transport yourself as well as goods from point A to point B, and then a computer through digital communications be able to get information from other places around the world that you might not otherwise have access to. And that's where drones come in as both a device and a vehicle, can take advantage of both digital communications as well as transporting goods. And despite this being seemingly further fetched here in the United States, eventually getting to the point where drones are used as passenger vehicles, right, for getting people from point A to point B. And again, as far-fetched as that may seem today, that's something already being done at quite some scale in China, just because us as a country, more so as a company, are more than a decade behind in industrialization, especially as it relates to drone technology. So I encourage all you guys, even if you're not all that interested in disaster relief, you just came here for drones, there's no shortage of opportunity to help build the drone industry pretty much from the ground up here in the US, and that's really going to be required if we want to keep our seat as a world power amongst the world.